All right, let's get a look at these front control arm bushings here. So this is the driver's and the passenger side. These are the upper frame side, and yeah, these got cracked up pretty badly. So this is the frame side. I think you can see the cracking here. It's almost all the way around separated. It's pretty good. It's pretty bad on this one. And here, this one looks pretty bad as well. You can see the crack there. It's separating, and as well on the other side. Now these upper ones are really bad. This one's cracked all the way around, separated. So here. Now this one pushed right out like butter. You can see it's kind of shiny here. I jokingly call it a wannabe Johnny joint because it was moving around. You can see in here. There you go. Yeah, it's been moving around a while in there. Anyway, so here's what I'm going to. Here's the new Metalcloak Kevlar. It's got their M in it. So yeah, it means it's got the Kevlar or whatever it is they've got in it now. But that's going to go in here. Now these rotate, and then the ball flexes in here, but it's designed to rotate. Now the rears, they're pretty shot. I never lubricated these again. 50,000 miles, 5 years, maybe 60,000 miles. But the rear, these grease flutes were almost worn completely down on the rears. Not so bad on the fronts. But anyway, I'm going to Johnny joints here, and this is why you can move them. They flex and they stay in place. They're more like a Heim joint. So that's what I'm going to in the front. I'm going to put these in the axle side. These are the Curry. There's a part number if you want to get those. But Johnny joints are a little bit more difficult to assemble because you got to get a tool and compress them down. That goes in the center, and you got to do that in order to get the ring clips in and out. And you really got to crank on it to get them compressed. Whereas these Metalcloak joints are easy to get the C-rings that clips in and out with, some of these pliers here. But everything's back together except for this one driver's side. I'm gonna put it back together. I just wanted to stop and film a little video here, and then maybe I'll do a follow-up here on how these Johnny joints come out on the axle side of the upper control arms. All right, cheers.